everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today we're going over the top 5 bags that I would recommend for your first handbag. If this is the first time you ever seen me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot, but today we do have a top 5 list of the bags I would recommend if you are new to luxury handbags and you're looking to buy your first one. But if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Yes, hi, hello everyone. Welcome to today's video. I have had this idea on my ideas notes list forever, and I was like, oh my god, I haven't done that video still, so let me go ahead and do that today. Yes, I do have 5 bags that I want to talk about today that I do think are worth your money when it comes to, I guess, buying your first bag. So if you are in the market for your first handbag, you're looking for your first luxury or mid-range bag, I do have 5 bags that I want to talk about today that I think would be really good to purchase as a first time bag owner. They're very beginner friendly bags. So let's get started. These are not going to be in any particular order. I don't necessarily think one is better than the other. On the number 5 spot is going to be the one and only Coach Pillow Tabby bag. Now, I would say the Tabby in general when it comes to Coach, except the quilted Tabby. I do not like the quilted Tabby. I've had 2 versions of that bag in the past and I have sent them both back. I would probably stay clear of the quilted Tabby unless you really just like it. If you do, that's great, but just know the quilted Tabby does not have a top handle and the crossbody straps on it are really long. It does look pretty. In my experience, I've had some defects. I just don't think that it's really up to quality, but the regular Tabby and the pillow Tabby I still love a lot. Of course, if you like the quilted Tabby and if that's just what you're into, by all means try it out. Maybe you'll get a really good one. The reason why I love the quilted Tabby so much, and this comes in a few colors, mine is in black. If you like the cream color, they have that as well. I like this bag because it has so many ways you can wear it. The top handle here is detachable, so you can fully take that off if you wanted to wear it as a big clutch or something, but it's just nice to have that option. So you have that. It does come with a crossbody strap, of course, so you can wear a crossbody and on your shoulder. Also, the great benefit of this bag is that it's just massive on the inside. You can fit so many things in this bag. I have never had an issue fitting any of my items into the pillow Tabby bag. I've never had just a regular Tabby, just the leather one. I've only had the pillow Tabby, so I have no idea what fits in there, but I would imagine it fits a decent amount as well. And then the leather on this bag is Napa leather, and I personally really love this leather. I haven't had any issues with it. This literally looks the exact same from when I took it out of the box when I first got it. Also, Coach goes on sale pretty often. So this bag does retail for $550, but you can get it on sale for half price or 20% off or something like that. So I would highly recommend taking a look at a sale if you can. Usually during the Black Friday and Christmas time, they have those. Also, black personally, I feel is the best color that you can get if you're looking for your first handbag because it goes with everything. It's not gonna go out of style, a black bag. So yeah, definitely recommend the Coach Pillow Tabby bag if you're looking for your first bag. In the number 4 spot, we're gonna be talking about a more high-end luxury brand. I know that Coach is considered to be mid-range, so it's not over $1,000. This one, on the other hand, is going to be Gucci, but this one is still a really good price point, I feel for Gucci. This is the GG Ophidia shoulder bag, and I am obsessed with this bag. I love this one so much. I think that if you are somebody that is new to the handbag space, you're looking to dip your toe in, this is a fantastic place to start. This is such a classic shape. The half moon kind of silhouette is so classy, it's so timeless. This style is never going to go out of style. It is very on trend at the moment as well because of the whole Y2K resurgence thing. Mine was a limited edition one, so they do still have this exact same style at Gucci, except it does not come with the charm and it has a different pull tab. It doesn't come with this giant long tassel looking thing, but other than that, it's exactly the same, I believe. This does come with a detachable chain strap right here, And then it also comes with a crossbody strap as well. Also, a really good thing about this is that you can remove the top handle like that, and then you can just go online and buy whatever kind of strap you want. I got this one from either Etsy or Amazon, I forget, but this one is just like a basic leather strap that matches. It's not a perfect match, but it kind of matches the leather at the top here. And if there's a time where I want to carry this bag but I don't want to have the gold going on, then I will just take the gold strap off and then just wear this leather strap, so it'll be like a little more, I guess, subdued. But most of the time I just wear it like this. This bag also is indestructible. The Gucci canvas is so hard wearing. Like, you could literally take this out in the rain, you could take this out in like a storm, it wouldn't hurt it in the slightest. Of course, I wouldn't recommend getting your bag soaking wet ever, but like this one, it is a canvas, so it's not going to damage it. And Gucci canvas, I have found, is very, very sturdy. So this bag is fantastic if you're looking for something that's hard wearing. The only thing with this one is that it's not crazy big, so I can fit my essentials in here no problem, but you're not gonna be fitting like a sunglasses case, maybe like a very thin one or something, but you're not gonna be fitting like a water bottle in here. You're not gonna be fitting like any big bulky items, but it still does fit a decent amount of things in my opinion. So this bag does retail for $1,980. And it does come in this color. It comes in silver and navy color, and then also comes in a beige with gold. That's really, really pretty as well. Number 3 on this list is going to be a bag from YSL. I don't have this bag. I actually did used to have this bag, but I ended up selling it, and I'm kind of regretting it now because like I really loved that bag, but maybe I'll add it back to my collection at some point. But it's going to be the YSL, the Saint Laurent Lulu Puffer Bag. Now, it can be any of the Lulu style. I think the Lulu is a fantastic bag. I think that it's so classic and timeless. That is Saint Laurent's like signature bag, and I personally like the Lulu Puffer. I put up a couple pictures and stuff here, but I like that one because I think it's really cute, and I like the toy or like the mini, whichever one. I forgot which one I had. Did I have the toy one? Maybe I had the toy one. I don't remember, but I like that bag a lot. I thought it was very cute. I loved the puffy texture, the quilting, and I actually really love the material on that bag. It is of course leather. It is a decent size. Even the toy Lulu that I had was like not tiny. Like, it still fit a good amount of stuff in there. Are you kidding? Wait, did they change it? Does it have 4 grommets now? I'm shocked. I don't know if it has 4 grommets, but it's showing on here that you can wear it as like a shoulder bag now. If they change this bag, and if it can be worn as a shoulder bag now, I fear that I'm gonna buy this. My goodness, are you joking right now? It does have 4 grommets. I did not know this. Oh my God. And it's the toy. I'm looking at the toy one right now. The toy one is $2,450. I am obsessed. Oh no. I'm speechless. Oh my goodness. I was not expecting that. Then at that point, I 100% recommend the toy. It has 4 grommets now. They updated it. Yes, that is going to be my number 3 because again, when I had it, it only had 2 grommets and you couldn't wear it as a shoulder bag. Really, I mean, you could, but it would be like a super long shoulder bag. It was very hard wearing. I think that the material is great. It is again Napa leather. It has that beautiful YSL logo on the front. I do think that it was pretty secure as well. It doesn't have a zip or anything. It does have like a flap kind of button closure, but I still thought that it was pretty secure. It doesn't open easily, like willy-nilly, so I think that's great. But yeah, totally recommend this for my number 3 spot. It's a fantastic bag. In the number 2 spot, we have the Marc Jacobs tote bag. Now, and I'm talking about just like a small one, like just like for an everyday kind of bag, not a big giant tote bag unless that's something that you're really looking for. But as an everyday handbag, this is something I would recommend. This is the small size. It used to be the mini. I think, but then they changed it. Now this is the small, but this is in the color twine. I love this bag so much. I can't wait to start wearing this bag more when I have kids, because this is going to be the perfect like everyday, not diaper bag, but like kinda, you know, like mom bag. But then again, you don't need to wear this if you have kids. You can wear this literally all the time. This is an everyday handbag. This is a fantastic handbag. I want to say that this one retailed for like $3.95, around that. Literally looks the exact same as it did when I first got it. I've had this bag for over a year now, but she's going strong. I don't wear her a lot right now just because I have other bags that I would like to pick up. Of course, you have the top handle. It does come with a leather crossbody strap as well, which I think is really nice, and it has the gold alligator clasps or clips on them. It has one big pocket in the back right here, so you can fit stuff. And then yeah, I just think that this bag can fit your entire life, and it does have a zip on top as well, so if you are wanting to keep it really secure and tight in there, you can zip it up. If you notice, the zipper goes all the way out, like far longer than the length of the bag. That is just to help you get bigger items in there, but this tail does magnetize to that little piece right here, so you can just magnetize it there, and then it won't be like flopping in the wind. You can fit water bottles in here, you can fit a Kindle in here, you can fit a full-on book in here, you can fit diapers in here, you can fit literally anything that you need to fit in this bag. It is wonderful. On my number one spot, you guys, we've made it to the number one spot. I literally have to give it up to the Songmont Luna Bag. This bag is an all-around fantastic handbag. One would argue you literally only need this one handbag in your collection, because if you don't know about the Songmont Luna Bag, this bag has 4 different ways that you can wear it. So you have it like this. These little guys right here come off, so you can turn this into a cute little dumpling bag and have it as like a night out bag. So that is the second way that you can wear it. You can take the top handle and put it underneath here, and you can clip this together and have it as kind of like a, not cliche, avant-garde kind of niche type of bag, and wear it as like a top handle. And then of course this bag does come with a crossbody strap, so you can wear it crossbody as well. This bag is literally the jack of all trades when it comes to handbags. Also, it's very roomy and spacious on the inside, so you're not gonna have to worry, there's the crossbody strap, you're not gonna have to worry about it not fitting your items. It's not massive on the inside, but it does fit a really good amount of things that I feel like it deserves the number one spot because of the size and with the multitude of ways that you can wear them. I think this is definitely a no-brainer. This bag is also not on like the luxury end, like the super high end of bags either. It is from Songmont, so I do think that it retails for about $400 to $450, I believe. Let me see. $349. I was totally wrong. Okay, so is that the small size though? Oh no, the small is $299. Okay, so great. So my Luna bag is just in the regular standard kind of like medium size. They have a large one and they also have a small. So this one's actually a lot cheaper than I thought that it was. So it's $349. And yeah, I think this bag is worth every single penny. It does have like a beautiful grained leather as well, if you can see that. The only hardware on this bag is of course these little guys here, and then this little lock detail, which is really pretty. And then it opens up like this, kind of like with a flap. It has a kind of vegan leather lining on the inside that's green. Yeah, this bag is just overall fantastic. I would highly recommend this as your first bag if you're looking into Songmont. So yeah, number one for a reason, would highly recommend this bag. And there you have it, you guys. Those are my top 5 bags that I think would be fantastic if you're brand new to the luxury space. If you're looking to add your first bag into your collection, these would be the top 5 that I would personally recommend for you to pick up. Let me know in the comments if you have a different bag to mine than what I suggested. Let me know what your top 5 best bags for someone that's new in the luxury space would be, or just leave me a comment down below telling me anything, because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you for watching this video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!